Good morning students, hope you all are well. So our today's video is about the next chapter, that is the control and coordination in human beings. So human body is a very complex structure and that perform different kind of functions, different kind of physiological function and processes to maintain and sustain our life. So why we need this kind of control and coordination? Because whenever we and all the organisms, whenever all the organisms they exposed to certain stimuli means the external stimuli or the environmental stimuli like the light, heat, nutrients or food, they move to the stimuli, they move towards the stimuli. That means there is a movement of the organisms. All this kind of movement and these activities in animals, these are controlled and coordinated by our nervous system and our endocrine system. Okay, so endocrine system secrete a special chemical that is known as hormone, and they are also known as the chemical messengers which help the nervous system to carry out different kind of functions in our body. So these hormones are secreted by the endocrine glands. Like us, in plants also they are having the hormones, and these also secreted by some special glands for their coordination and the movement. The nervous system, and it is the main system of our body to help in this control and coordination. Neurons, when hundreds or thousands or more the neurons are combined together, they form the nervous system. Okay, so neuron is the basic structural and functional unit of our nervous system. As you can see, this is the structure of a neuron. It consists of the dendron, axon and the nerve endings, and also the soma or the cell body. Now let's see what are the different parts of neuron. First is the dendrite. As you have seen, this root-like structure and the pink portion, that is the dendron and the dendrite. So these are the branch-like structure that receive the message from other neurons. Okay, means which message are transferred through the stimulus, they receive this message from the other neuron, and they allow the transmission of the messages to the cell body, means to the next part of the neuron. So the next part of the neuron is cell body. So each neuron in the cell body, there is some of the cell organelles. Nucleus is present there, Golgi body, endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, this is also present. So after the cell body, there is the next structure, that is the axon. Axon is the tube like or the very thin structure that carries the electrical impulse or the stimulus from the cell body to the axon terminal, that means to the nerve ending. Okay, and the last portion, that is the synapse. Okay, so it is the junction, it is a junction between the end of one neuron and the starting of the dendrites of another neuron. Okay, so synapse means end of one neuron and the starting of another neuron, that means the starting of the dendrites of another neuron.